Okay, let's start today's numbers activity. Okay, here 12 is there. Okay, then before number is 11. How? In every number 12, 1 is always constant, 2 will change. Means here we'll do backward counting. The backward 2, then comes in backward counting 1. So 1 is constant, then 1. 19, 1, then backward. Then if you count backward, 9, then comes 8. Here 25, 6, then 2, then 5, 7, 8 is there. So before number is 7. And after also same 9, then comes 10. Okay, here 21 into 2, here will go. And after we'll do forward counting 21, then 22, then 31, 3 is constant. When backward counting 1, then comes 2, so 32. Okay, then here 25, then comes 26. Okay, in this manner we'll do. It is easy to do. Okay, then greater. Then here 18 is big, so we'll do this one is greater than of 15. Then 22 is greater than of 20. 16 is greater than to 11. 81 is greater than 40. Okay, here smaller number. Okay, 3 comes first, so this one is small. Then 9, so less than 9. Then 35 is smaller than 40. 13 is smaller than 40, so we'll do smaller than signs use. In both greater than and then we just look at the numbers. Okay, bigger number, here this one is point like this, greater than sign. Okay, every time the sign is towards the bigger number. Circle the big numbers. Here it went 10 and 20. 20 is big, so circle that one. 23, 11, 12. 12 is bigger than. 32 is bigger than. Circle then. Take the small numbers. Here 3 and 8. So 3 comes first, so 3 is small number. 17, 18. 18 comes first, so 18 is smaller. 15 is small. 28, 30. 28 is small. Write the number names. First number is 8. So write the number names. E, I, G, H and T. 8 right there like this. So we will practice more at home to do. Okay, for 12, T, W, E, L, V and E. 12. 23. Right, first 20, T, W, E, N, T and Y. 20. And 3, T, H, R, E, E. 3. And for 40, we write F, O, R, T and Y. 40. Then 56, we write 56 M. Okay, right, same. Then here ascending and descending numbers. Okay, here I have written some numbers, 7 numbers. Okay, then we'll write ascending means we'll write small to bigger number or climb up method. Okay, we climb one by one step like smaller to bigger ones. First smaller is 5, then 9. Here are all written in the same ascending manner, so it's easy to write. But in exam, it's not in written in same manner, so we'll learn. Okay, 63 in ascending, descending. Okay, we'll climb down from bigger to smaller number. Then bigger number is 63, then 20, then 15, then 13, then 12, then 9, then 5. Okay, same we'll do next one. Here also 7 numbers are there. So first one, bigger one is smaller one, 50, 5, 15, 19, then 21, 23, 35 and 51. And descending when climb down from largest to smaller, then 51, 35, 23, 9, 21, 19, 15 and 8. Okay, then next question, next activity is tens and 1. Expand from here. 45 is there, so 4 is in tens place, so write 4 tens by 1. Okay, then 23. Okay, 2 tens and 5 3 ones. Okay, then 11. So 11 write 1 tens and 1 ones. 36 will same write 3 tens and 6 ones. Here color the odd number heart with green and 2 even number heart with red. Now do you know which one is odd or even? Every number which is divided by 2 is even which is not divided by 2 is odd, or otherwise everyone has a pair, na, has a partner. So if one has no partner, so it's odd. Two is in pair number, 1 and 1 2, so it's an even one. Okay, like that we'll figure out which one is even, which one is odd. Okay, first time this way we will color the heart green and red. The next question is, now add 2 to each number given below and write the answers. Here I have drawn a flower, and then middle I have written 2. First one is 2 plus 3 is, so right. Okay, we'll do here by just doing the addition. Okay, I'm putting 2 lines, 1 2 and 1 2 3. So we're counting 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5. Then 2 plus 1 1 2 3. Then 2 plus 5 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Then is 1 2 3 4. We're cutting one by one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. In this way it's easy to do the addition parts. Okay, then 2 plus 6. First we'll do small lines. Then we'll cut that one by counting. Okay, 2 plus 8 is 10. Then 2 plus 6. Okay, same manner we'll solve all the sums. Okay, all the additions. Okay, 2 plus 6 is 8. Then 2 plus 2. Okay, 2 2 2 2 4 and 4. Okay, then next one is complete the sequence of numbers. So we'll write as per the pattern. Here 5 2 2 3. Then again comes 5 and 2. So next one is 2 and 3. Then again the pattern repeats 1 1 1 and 4. So we'll write first 1 1 and 1, then 4, then again 1 and repeat 7 5 2 2 0 7 0. Okay, up to that, then 7 5, then 2 2 and 0. Okay, like that. Then skip counting 2s and 3s. Okay, then skip counting 2. What we'll do, we will jump skip just between, we'll skip one number. Okay, then again one number skip 2 and skip 3, then go to 4, then 4 to 6 skip one number. Okay, otherwise we'll just add two numbers and jump. Okay, like that we'll do 2 skips number. Then 3 skips number, we skip two number in between the both. Here 2 numbers there, 1 and 2 we skip, here only 1 2. So otherwise we'll just add three numbers, 0 to 3, then 0 to 6,